Mark Kummer's signature lasagna. Now look at that beauty. Absolutely amazing. These are your ingredients and your spices. As a special note, make sure you get oven-ready lasagna noodles. We're going to start off by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to get your 2 pounds of ground beef and you're going to start to mash that up in a pan. Once that gets all cooked, you're going to add your onions in and let those sweat down. Once those have sweated down, you can start to add some of your spices. We have garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, paprika. I'll give that a stir. Once those have sweat down, you can add your peppers in. Get some parsley in there. Some salt, extra flavor, and some sweet paprika. Then you can add your mushrooms. Once those have had the chance to cook, you can get your tomato paste in there. Give that a nice stir. Once that's all in there, you can put 2 cans of condensed tomato soup. Let that cook for a bit. The secret ingredient is coffee added slow, black. We're going to let that cook and we're going to repeat this process till the cup is empty. You want to stir slowly. Make sure you give your pan a nice spray. We used coconut oil, and you can start to lay your lasagna noodles. We're going to start with a nice layer of cheese on the bottom.
Okay, so we're going to start scooping. Sort of evenly. We're trying to do 2 even layers here, right? Kind of divide the pan in half so I can kind of gauge what's half. Right? Nice spread. Just sort of drizzle. Cottage cheese. Right. Okay. So color of the spinach.
Make sure to dry your spinach.
Okay. Good. I think I'm just going to put blobs of this in here like this.
Optionally, we added
It's
ricotta.
kind of chunky. Right. We'll mix in them all.
Now you're going to add a nice layer of shredded cheese. We used a nacho blend and mozzarella.
Just kind of push it down. Because we need to. Okay, see? Second layer. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
We added some parsley for color and a nice layer of cheese on the top. This will form the crust. Pop that in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. At the end of the 45 minutes, you'll notice it's still a little soft on top. You're going to want to turn the broil setting on your oven on, and you're going to let that cook with the door open for a couple minutes. Now look at that beauty. Nice crust on top. You're going to want to serve that and enjoy. As well, it tastes amazing as leftovers. Thank you. Enjoy.